arrived. Let's get a quick little tour in. Nice little mirror. You can see 2 queen beds, our luggage, television, balcony, balcony. Our little porch. Here's the bathroom in here. I think this is a little closet, bathroom. My mom's in there. We'll show you later. What else? What else? Little seating area, little kitchen, and then outside. Does it slide? It locks. That's why. Yes. So beautiful. I'm very happy to be here. Very excited. We'll be back. 10 out of 10. Recommend. As you can see, I've been working on that margarita. But here we got a tostada de atún, some papas fritas, and guacamole. Yummy! Good morning everybody. It's like 5 in the morning. The plan for today is to go see the sunset, walk the beach. I said sunset, sunrise. It's 5 in the morning. Walk the beach. Maybe go for a little swim, head to the airport, go home. Wanting fishy.
Yeah, why was it nothing?
I just can't get enough. Matcha this morning, as you can see, it buzzed down. Morning, going for a morning swim. Quick dip in the pool. Probably the hot tub. I'm sorry about the blur. It is so humid. Like, the water adheres to my lens. So, you'll just have to deal with this. So sorry. I'm at the hot tub right now, as you can probably tell. Look at the fucking view. Like, moment of silence. It's just me here right now. It's quite early. It's like 7 something, 7:30ish. They don't leave for another hour, so I just came to take a quick dip. I'm glad I'm in the hot tub because the pool kind of seems cold. Maybe I should back up. I feel like I'm so close. So yes, the bees are saying hello this morning to me. I apologize if this vlog seems very choppy. They're just like unorganized. I feel like I'm a bit of a sporadic person. And really, I don't have much structure to my vlogs other than I know I like to take pretty pictures and pretty videos. Why not start vlogging? Get an actual camera that'll capture at least some of the beauty that I see. The camera versus real eyes will never compare. But, and also sorry if the waves are very loud. Actually, I'm not sorry because it sounds delightful. But yeah, thanks for watching my videos, bearing with my spontaneity and sporadicness, I guess that's a word. Yes, I just like to capture, and why not share what I captured? So yes, I'm having a wonderful time. I'm very glad I got to come. I would definitely come for more than 24 hours next time for sure. But yeah, just so grateful to be here. I get to practice my Spanish, meet some really kind souls here as well. Just taking the beauty that the earth has to offer. I'm just watching all these people like live their lives as compared to like a city or something like that back home. I don't know how to explain it, but just know I like it here a lot. I love it. That's all I can really say. I'm just so in awe and shock and so grateful. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at right now. It's unbelievable. That's where you were sitting. This is what I'm seeing. Absolutely just stunning. For lack of better words. He said hello again. But yes, thank you guys for coming on this journey and experiencing this with me. I'm just gonna chill here, shower, and then go to the airport to go home. That's really what I have planned for the rest of the morning, well, the rest of the day. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Oh, I'm just so grateful to be here. I'm grateful to do this. Grateful to share this. I'm just so happy. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, because like I can't stop looking back there. I'm not even looking at me because it's just so beautiful. Okay, until next time. Hello again, everybody. Just had a wonderful freaking morning swim, as you probably saw. But I'll tell you what the plans are for the rest of the day. Again, shower, go to the airport, go home. So that will conclude this travel vlog. And thank you guys for experiencing this with me. It was such a good experience. I had an amazing time. But let me show you one more time to close up the video, and I'll see you next time.